Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we discuss about how to download Notepad++ in Windows. So open your favorite browser and simply write Notepad++ and click on first link downloads. And here this is the updated version of Notepad++ and it is the latest version of Notepad++ that is 8.1.9.2 release. So click on it. Notepad++ is available for 32-bit and as well as download for 64-bit. So I want to download in 64-bit. So click here installer and you can see here Notepad++ downloading start and Notepad download successfully. So open it. I minimize this tab. Now click OK. Welcome to Notepad++. Click next. This is an agreement. Click on I agree. Click next, and click on install. And also check this box, create shortcut on desktop. And you can see here Notepad++ icon are display in our desktop screen. Now simply click in finish and you can see here Notepad++ are installed successfully. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.